Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix an unexpected error is keeping you from deleting or copying or moving the folder or file on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing an error while copying or moving the folder or files, fix an unexpected error is keeping you from deleting or moving the folder or files, and the error code you can see 0x800700570. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the file explorer and select the drive which you are getting the error to copy or delete or move the folder. Suppose if this is your drive, right click on that, click on properties, click on tools. You can see error checking. This option will check the drive or the file system errors. Just click on check and click on scan drive. You have to wait for some time. You can see the drive was successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. If in your case you are getting the problem, it will fix automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix an unexpected error is keeping you from deleting or copying or moving the folder or files on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.